Yes, my dear student. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I am also absolutely fine. Only 7 days are left for the examination, and I hope everyone has done with the preparation. Only what is left, last revision is left. From my point of view, if any student can manage last revision effectively, he will definitely become chartered accountant. He will definitely pass the examination. Last revision is very, very important. The financial reporting being paper number one, you have a choice for financial reporting to give more number of days for the last revision. Such option is not available for other paper. For other paper, you have only 1.5 days. Now, being financial reporting faculty, in this video, I'll guide you how to revise your financial reporting paper for the last time. Why last time? Because next time you are not going to come again, because you'll become chartered accountant. Correct now. So this is the last time you are revising financial reporting, and that revision should be very much effective. So in this video, I'll guide you what should be your plan, what should be your strategy for the last revision for financial reporting paper. Normally, what I have found that students give sufficient number of days for financial reporting paper for the last revision, but they don't know how much hours should be given to each chapter. So a chapter which require less number of hours, they will eventually give more number of hours. So any chapter which require more number of hours, they will not be able to give the sufficient number of hours to that particular chapter, and because of that mismanagement, they will not be able to complete the revision of the entire syllabus, and this may affect their exam. Just try to understand. If you can plan your FR revision effectively, you will enter the exam hall with confidence, and that confidence is required to solve all the questions perfectly in exam hall. Correct? So how the confidence will come? The confidence will come when you have done your revision part effectively. For that reason, I am here with you today. So in this particular video, I will give you 5 days plan for revising financial reporting. Also, I will discuss ABC analysis of the entire syllabus. If for which chapter, how many hours are required, means which chapter require more number of hours, which chapter require less number of hours. Then also I will give you important chapter for May 2025 exam. Some important list of chapter I have, which I expect the question will come from that topic. So I'll guide you regarding that. And last, I will give you a study hour timetable so that you can complete the entire syllabus in 5 days. Normally what happens, if you don't have the timetable to study, you will not be disciplined. If you will not be disciplined, you will not be able to complete the entire scheduled plan as per the planning given. So that discipline is required. Discipline comes from timetable, as we used to do in school. So if you have that timetable, and if you can work on that timetable, you can easily revise the entire syllabus in the scheduled time. So let us start the discussion. But before we start the discussion, don't forget to like this video, share this video with all your friends. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let us start the discussion with the 5 days plan. Now, from my point of view, for financial reporting, you should give minimum 5 days for the last revision, because it is the first paper, and once again I will say you should enter the exam hall with confidence. If your first paper went well, it will also give positive impact in second paper and third paper. Correct? So for first paper, don't take any risk. If you want to give 6 days, it is your choice, but 5 days is more than, it is sufficient number of days to complete the entire syllabus of FR in that 5 days. Correct? Now, so your 5 days will start from 27th of April. But before I start that 5 days revision, I want one commitment from you. Commitment is that you need to study for a minimum 15 hours a day. Why I am saying 15 hours? Because if you study for 15 hours, the output will be 12 hours. If you study for 12 hours, the output may be even less than that. So 12 hours effective time is required, and for that you will study for 15 hours. So one commitment that you will study for 15 hours. If the output is coming 15 hours, it's very good. But even though, if suppose there is some abnormal losses and your efficiency is only 12 hours, then also you will be able to complete the syllabus. The first commitment that now, because this is the last time you are revising financial reporting paper, study for 15 hours every day. And of course, can you say now exam is going to come, you are at high level of efficiency, you can easily give 15 hours. Understood? Correct. Now, what will be timetable that I will discuss? The first commitment that you need to study every day 15 hours per day. Correct. Now you need to start your first day with 27th of April. Means 27, 28, 29, 30, 1st. 5 days. Second is your exam. So 27, you need to revise which chapter. Correct. So 27, I have given simple chapter. I have not given complicated, means heavy chapter. Consolidation, financial instrument, business combination. Don't start with that. Because if you start with that, right now you are not in rhythm. First get the rhythm, then we'll come to that chapter. So 27, I have given, what are the chapters? Share based payment, Ind AS 102. Correct. For that I have given 3 hours. 3 hours is more than enough to complete share based payment. Then lease, Ind AS 116, 3 hours. Then all the asset based Ind AS. Asset based Ind AS are very important. I am expecting 8 marks question from asset based Ind AS only. So don't leave it. It is very, very important. So Ind AS 16, Ind AS 2, Ind AS 38, Ind AS 40, Ind AS 36, Ind AS 105, Ind AS 23 borrowing cost. Correct. For this I have given 5 hours. 5 hours more than enough. You can easily complete all the asset based Ind AS. Then last, also complete Ind AS 41 agriculture, because this is also related to asset. Ind AS 41. Correct. For that I have given only 1 hour. However, it can be revised in less than 1 hour also. Very small chapters. You can see the sum total of this is 12 hours. Correct. So 12 hours effective required. If you study for 15 hours, 12 hours effective will come. And suppose after that you have some balanced number of hours left. Means if you are at higher level of efficiency, then for balance 3 hours you can practice more for this chapter. So if you have some more questions left, you can do that also. So this 3 hours is bonus for you. This 3 hours is bonus for you. So 15 minus 12, 3 hours become bonus. Got this point? So I have allotted that timetable based on 12 number of hours only. But if you can complete in 12 hours, so you have surplus 3 hours. Surplus 3 hours, you can practice more number of questions, which will help you from examination point of view. Understood? Then second day, 20th April, I will say start with consolidation. For consolidation, I have given 6 hours. 6 hours, you can easily complete the entire consolidation chapter and then do business combination also, because consolidation and business combination are related to each other. So with flow, you will be able to complete business combination also, and business combination I have given 4 hours, and then cash flow statement in their summary. It is very easy. For that, I have given 2 hours. You can see this become 12 hours. In 12 hours, you can easily manage these 3 chapters. So consolidation, business combination, and cash flow statement. Got this point? This also coming 12 hours. Once again, 3 hours surplus. For that, you can practice more number of questions. You can practice more number of questions. Understood? Then 29, that is day 3, you can start with financial instrument chapter. Start with financial instrument chapter. Financial instrument will be, because it will require more time. I have given 6 hours. Financial instrument chapter. Revise each and every point. Because questions can come from any topic, even though that will be last topic. From last topic question may come. So don't ignore any topic. Financial instrument chapter. Okay. Then EPS Ind AS 33. Employee benefit Ind AS 19, first time adoption Ind AS 101, foreign exchange Ind AS 2, means the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate Ind AS 21. For that, this number of hours are given. For EPS, I have given 2 hours. For Ind AS 19, 1.5. For Ind AS 101, 1.5. For Ind AS 21, 1. It becomes 3 hours, 1 second for practice. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. Correct. Then 4th day, 30th April, start with Ind AS 105. Means I will say don't do Ind AS 105 initially, because Ind AS 105 is related to content. And normally what happens, if you have done Ind AS 105 initially, you will forget the content. So Ind AS 105 I have kept for 4th day. So day number 4, start with Ind AS 105. Then all the small chapter, whatever has been left. You can see other balance Ind AS. These are very small chapters. Small chapters means Ind AS 1, Ind AS 8, Ind AS 10, Ind AS 20, Ind AS 24, Ind AS 34, Ind AS 37, Ind AS 113, Ind AS 108. Believe me, these are the chapter in which you need to only revise the content, and there are few questions which are very important. Already I've given the expected list, you can do that much only. Means you can revise this chapter in a very speed way. Means you can revise this chapter, correct now, by giving less number of hours. Okay sir, yes sir. Then of course income tax in days 12 you need to revise that. For that I have given 2 hours, so you can see 5 hours for this, 5 hours for this, and 2 hours for this, 12 hours, 3 hours for practice. If suppose you are not able to complete some portion of some chapters, you can manage in that 3 hours. That 3 hours is buffer, correct? Yes sir. Then coming to the 1st May, what I have given because there are some theory chapters. There are 3 theory chapters. One is accounting and technology, one is conceptual framework, one is professional and ethical duties. These are 3 theory chapter, and one is analysis of financial statement. That is also important. So if on 1st May you will start with all the theory chapter, revise it. Means do all the important question of this particular chapter and then do analysis of financial statement. This you can do in 5 hours. So out of 15 hours, 5 hours gone. In the balance 10 hours, means I will say this will not require 5 hours, but then also I have given 5 hours. Because analysis of financial statement, if you do some question, it may take some time. But chalo theek hai, from my point of view, it can be done with less than 5 hours. So you have 10 hours left. In these 10 hours, again revise all the big chapters. All the big chapters means consolidation, business combination, financial instrument, Ind AS 1 and 5. These 4 big chapters you can revise again, correct? So can I say again you have 10 hours, you can give 2.5 hours to each chapter. So you have done second revision for all the big chapters which is required, correct? Then coming to the exam day. Exam day is 2nd May. Exam day I will say don't revise any chapter, do only expected question. Already expected question list I have given. That is very important. And out of that expected question, I have given top 95 question, if you remember. So if you don't have time, that top 95 question do in this before exam day. From that top 95 question, many question may come, correct? I will suggest that all the expected question you can go through. Means there is no need to practice, only go through all the questions, because you have already highlighted some important point which you might have done some mistake in that particular point when you have done the preparation. Correct? So in this exam day, before exam, do only expected question. Don't do any content, only revise expected questions. Got this point? This is the entire plan for your 5 days financial reporting last revision. Okay, sir. I hope this will definitely help you to revise your financial reporting effectively. Correct? Yes, sir. Now, of course, you know about my marathon lectures. Marathon lectures is already given for revision purpose in YouTube. The link of marathon lecture is given in my Telegram channel. The expected question is given my Telegram channel. If you have not downloaded it, you can download it from my Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this particular video. Got this point? At this moment, last revision, I will always suggest don't do any new things. Means suppose any concept you have not understood, means previously you have not done, you have already skipped that. Now don't do any new topics. Don't do any new topics. If you have left it, now leave it. Now leave it something to God, because God will be always with you. Now in this revision, don't do any new things. Correct? Got this point? Yes, sir. But this will be the pattern of revision. Now coming to the ABC analysis. You can see this is the ABC analysis. This A category means this 5 chapter: financial instrument, consolidation, business combination, revenue recognition, share-based payment, and analysis of financial statement. From the last 3 attempts, they have not asked any question from analysis of financial statement. You can see last 3 attempts, they have not asked any question from analysis of financial statement. So I am expecting one question from analysis of financial statement this time. So this become A category. In this chapter, you should give more time. Means you should have sufficient time for these particular chapters. Correct? Now B category chapters and C category chapters are the balance chapter. From B and C category, question may or may not come. Means from A category, definitely the question is going to come in your exam. And out of that, consolidation will be your mandatory chapter. Consolidation, business combination, financial instrument. This time it is quite possible financial instrument may be a mandatory question, but normally we expect consolidation, business combination to be a mandatory questions. Got this point? Yes, sir. Now in B category, from important point of view, now I'm coming to important chapters. Correct? Important chapter. I'm expecting question from India's 116. Means now I'm giving you important chapters. Correct? So from my point of this time, I'm expecting question from India's 116. Then I'm expecting question from India's 19, India's 21, India's 36, India's 33, India's 41. Definitely one question is going to come. India's 105, India's 105. Definitely one question is going to come. Correct? India's 108 also. And of course, professional and ethical duty. Professional ethical duty, it might happen this time. 6 marks question may come from professional ethical duty. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Now, also I'm expecting question from India's 7 cash flow statement of cash flow. Then India's 23 borrowing cost, important from exam point of this time. Then India's 38, a small question may come in exam. Then India's 113, highly expected this time. India's 113, one question going to come. It can be MCQ question also. And then of course this conceptual framework, accounting and technology, of course the question will come. Every time they are asking question from conceptual framework and accounting and technology. Got this point? So these are my important chapters. Correct? Apart from A category, from B category and C category, I am expecting these particular chapters. So you can give importance to this chapter whenever you are doing revision. Correct? Importance to this chapter. Chalega? Yes, sir. Now coming to timetable. I have already said if 15-hour commitment is required. 15-hour commitment is required. If you study for 15 hours, then output will be 12 hours. If the output is coming 15 hours, then to very good. Correct? Efficiency is 15 hours, out of 15 hours, then excellent. Chalega? But chalo, there may be some normal laws, abnormal laws. Considering that 12 hours you can study out of 15 hours effectively. Okay, sir. So I have given 2 alternative timetable. There are some students who study in the morning and sleep in the night as per the daily routine. There are some students who study in night. So I have given 2 alternative options. What you should do, you should make a timetable of 3 hours. 3 hours slot. So if you always sleep in the night, then this will be the alternative for you. Means start your first hour of the day for study at 6:30 to 9:30. Then take half an hour break. Then 10 to 1. Then take 1 hour break. You have 30-minute break. You have 1 hour break. 1 hour lunch break. Correct? Then 2 to 5. 2 to 5 you should always study. Because 2 to 5 is your exam time. At 2 to 5 don't sleep. Your mind should be at high level of concentration. So 2 to 5 study. Correct? Yes, sir. Then take half an hour break. Then 5:30 to 8:30. Correct? Then take again 1 hour break. This will be your dinner break. And then 9:30 to 12. The last slot I have given for 2.5 hours. Relax. Okay? Yes, sir. Then sleep for 6 hours. 12 to 6 you sleep. Now if you are sleeping for 5 hours, okay, acceptable. If you are sleeping for 4 hours, that is also acceptable. Means if you sleep for 4 hours, you will not die. But chalo, theek hai. I have given you 6 hours sleep time. Okay, sir. Now alternative 2, if you want to study in night, that is your choice. Then you can start your first hour from 10 to 1. Start from 10 to 1. Correct? Then from 2 to 5 study, that is must. 2 to 5 study. Then 5:30 to 8:30. Then 9:30 to 12:30. Then 1 to 2:30. Then sleep at 2:30 and wake up at 9:30. Half an hour, be ready for the next day. This is your timetable. Believe me, if you follow this, you can easily study. You can study for 15 hours. And out of 15 hours, 12 hours will be your effective output. And 12 hours is required to complete the entire syllabus, this entire syllabus as per this time, as per this number of hours. This was your day, this was your entire plan for financial reporting, which you required for your last revision for the last time. Again, I am saying last time because you are going to become CA in this time. If you are writing both group or your group 1 is only pending. Correct? If you are writing group 1 and if your group 2 is pending, then okay, you need to come, you need to give one more attempt for group 2. All the best for your preparation. I am available with you My number is with you. My Telegram channel is with you. I'm available for every doubts, etc. If you want something extra from me, do comment in the comment box. I will come with that particular type of session for you all. Means suppose you want some revision, you want some queries, you require some live dive session, just comment in the comment box. I will also plan for that. Okay. All the best. Love you all. Bye bye.